I used to wear my Monday clothes for one day mo. My mom knows I've been dripping since I was one day old. Thanking the heavens from the billion, she's the one they chose. I used to fear they'd never clap, now I don't want applause. Oh, you wanna know what fame is? It's a one-way road. Cause when you think they want your art, really they want their souls. And the story with the truth isn't the one they sold. Now we fearing for the siblings or the sons they owe. It's bittersweet, like the bees working honeycombs, when the seeds that they reaped weren't the ones they sowed. Where you water, it is green. If currency grew on trees, just be careful of the weeds where the money grows. Some friends are picture perfect, but some may pose. Kids loved by their families turn to scums they loathe. Dark times are followed by the days where sun rays glow. So treat it as a cleansing when some rain pours. I'm independent, not on 1A boast. I'm feasting on rappers, but I miss my mama's Sunday ghost. Lord, forgive me, Jesus Christ, no one day crows. Just had a baby, but I'm praying for the ones we lost. I'm grinding for my baby every day, not taking one day off. Only time I'm getting smoked is off the blunts we cough. Married my soulmate, you still picking up the Huns at shows. Niggas will sacrifice their souls for some dumb fake gold. Yeah. This is my magnum opus. Haters wishing I was sad and hopeless, but I'm mad devoted. I'm manning up. I hope my dad can notice. Look at this baddie that this dad eloped with. Baby, pass the potion, unlock the mind that you haven't opened. On my mama, you gon' find me in a phantom focused. Wanna purchase me some land where I plan with Oprah. In reality, I'm Bruce, but I found the Joker. Yes, sir.